Hi coders, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day 1 of a coding series Code Every Day. So you all have to write code along with me. So let's get to the system. I will be using the IntelliJ IDE. You all can use any other preferred IDE which you are comfortable with. So let's go to the system. So here I have come back to my system. I have already created a folder with the name Code Every Day. So here in the source folder mainly we'll write the codes. Let me show you how. We'll right click on it, click on new, click on the Java class and we'll write the class name. Let me write it as Code Everyday. My class name is Code Everyday 001. Enter. So here our class is ready. Following we'll write the main method public static void main string args and curly brackets open. So the first code that we will write today, the code that we'll start with is a simple output statement. How do we print any statement in Java? We just simply use the statement System.out.print to print anything in Java. Let me show you how. System.out.print. Here in the quotes, you all can write whatever you want to print. Let me write here, welcome to my channel and end it with a semicolon. Now let me run this. See, here we got the output as welcome to my channel. Okay, let me print more lines over here. Let me show you. Let me print here your second line. System.out.print line 1. System.out.print line 2. Okay, so here let me run this. See, welcome to my channel line 1, line 2. It's printed. But I want this line 1 and the line 2 to be printed in a new line. Okay, like these are printed side by side. I wanted to print it in a new line. So what we'll do, I'll simply write here println. What does println do? Let me show you. Let me run it. See, welcome to my channel is in the first line, line 1 and line 2 is in the second line. Println prints the statement which is there and brings the cursor to the next line. Okay, so therefore line 1 and line 2 is being printed in a new line. Here, like I write this as println and run it. See, welcome to my channel, line 1, line 2. But here you see, after the print statement, there is no new line being printed. After this print statement, there is no new line printed, line 2, because here only print statement is used. As the print statement is used, the cursor remains in the same line. If I write here this as println, just check the difference. Let me run this. See, after line 2, we got a new line. A cursor has moved to the new line. This is the main difference between print and a println statement. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.